All right, guys, my second favorite part of the show is making you money. We're doing great. I hope you've been holding some of these stocks. They're really working out really nicely. Now, ARM Holding, the ticker symbol is ARMH. Sorry. They build themselves as the architect of the digital age, and I tell you they are, and the company is great at execution. Beat the street in each of the last 4 quarters. Fiscal year 16 earnings estimates are starting to rocket higher. They've got a business model that includes licensing and royalties. Now, for the most part, the licensing revenue goes up to 4 years, but the royalties come in for about 20 years, and that business is actually growing at a better compounded annual rate of growth than even the licensing business. Smartphones, $25 billion industry in the next few years. They've got already a big market share, like 85%. They are the brains in a lot of these smartphones, tablets. Embedded intelligence, $25 billion market share. They've got a 10% share there. $25 billion marketplace. They got a 10% share. We're talking, again, wearable, smart devices. They're going to grow like big time there. Enterprise infrastructure. We're talking base stations, routers, switches. Again, another $25 billion industry. They've got 25% market share. And then there's things like autos and other things. So I love the way this thing acts. Recently hit a double top. It's pulled back. The next move through 55, in my mind, takes this thing up. But ultimately, I think it's a $75 stock. I like this one a lot. I've been in and out of it over the years. I should have just stayed in because I think it goes higher, Matt.
Great explanation of everything they do. I'm just going to jump on top of that. I mean, when you're looking at the semiconductors and chips in this type of environment, this is the type of company. You have to pick and choose which one. I also love the fact that it's based in the UK. Do a lot of sales overseas, so with the pound, it's much better than the dollar. So I think that's a huge bonus versus some of the companies based here.
You like this one, Hillary?
I like it, and the same reason, which is it's a way to get into these semiconductors, but be over in England, and their market will give you a little bit more of a diversity to your portfolio in that semiconductor space.
Some people do worry that every now and then, if you lose the Apple contract or, that they're so beholden to, but the diversification with their business, I think, makes it that much better.
We're seeing the shift away from the commodity processors. As you said, they have a leadership position, and I like that you highlighted the importance of royalties. This is an R&D shop, so their near-term investments ends up in long-term, 4 or 5 years out the royalties, and that's why I think it's good.
R&D, baby. This made this company and made it great. Now, I want to say